Is it possible to paint with very economical paint? Yes, absolutely. But in my opinion, not in all cases. Let me explain. It is totally feasible that you can practice with very inexpensive materials. But if you are already painting to sell your work or to exhibit in galleries, or if you are studying art, I do not recommend using low-quality paints at all. But why? First, the paint can easily flake or change color over time more easily than other better quality paints. And imagine that you sell a work of art and after a few years your customer is affected by the deterioration of the paint. Horrible scene, right? Second, it is possible that low-quality paints have defective formulas and therefore do not cover the canvas so easily and need several layers. Also, the result may not be the most professional, or the color may not be so vivid. So if you want to save yourself those headaches, you should take this into account. But if you are just practicing and relaxing like I am, you can still improve a lot even using low-quality paints, as you can see here. Nothing stops us to continue painting beautiful works. So let's keep painting and practicing a lot. You can see painting ideas on my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.